अगर ये दिन मेरी जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन हो, उसमें कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, कुछ भी, कि जानने के बावजूद भी कि मैं कल सुबह नहीं उठने वाला, फिर भी आज रात को चैन से सो सकूं। ये जो मैं अभी कर रहा हूं, इस काम को करने के लिए मैं अपनी कोई भी चीज गंवाने को तैयार हूं। अगर पूरी दुनिया मुझे ये कहती है कि मेरी तो किस्मत ही खराब है, मेरी हाथ की लकीरों में ही कमी है, तो क्यों मैं अपनी हाथ की लकीरों को नहीं बदल सकता? वो दिन दूर नहीं है तब आपके पास सब कुछ होगा, लेकिन फिर भी अपना कुछ भी खोने का डर नहीं होगा।
ये बी एंड सी तीन को मिक्स कर दो ना। पढ़ना चाहते हो पढ़ो, आपको 5 इयर्स का पहले प्लान बनाना चाहते हो तो बना लो। खुद को देखो 5 साल के बाद, 5 या 15 साल के बाद मैं खुद को कहाँ देखती हूँ, कहाँ देखता हूँ। और आप चाहते हो कि नहीं यार मुझे नहीं पढ़ना, मैं तो सिर्फ यूं ही जाऊँगा, मेरे माई फादर हैज़ दैट मच ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, आई कैन ईट गुड, इट्स अप टू यू, बट सी
I had some tantrums of saying, I can't do this is too hard. When I was a kid and comparing myself to everyone else and saying, I can't do it, I'll never be able to do that. My parents...
See group of people, those who are thinking कि I am good and no one can beat me, sorry to say you that you are wrong. Okay, so you have to mix this A, B and C. If you want to read. If you want to enjoy. If you want to study late, you can. But you can't be in this position. And your name won't be in a newspaper. कोई आपको नहीं पहचानेगा यार। लाखों के बच्चे 10th का एग्जाम लिखते हैं, थोड़ी आपका नाम वो डाल देंगे। अगर आप 60% आ जाओगे, 70% आ जाओगे, 90% आ जाओगे ना, तब भी आपका नाम नहीं आएगा। ट्रू, ये बात लिख के रख लो आप। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, एक बात मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। एवरीवन नोज अबाउट द 3 इडियट्स, राइट? आई सेड अबाउट द 3 इडियट्स। सो आपको दिस पेंटिंग, या माय सिस्टर डिड, ओके, थैंक्स। हाँ, सो शी इज गोइंग टू बीट मी इफ शी saw दिस पेंटिंग, बट इट्स ओके। हाँ, सो नाउ वेयर एम आई? ओके, 3 इडियट्स। तो 3 इडियट्स ने आपने फिल्म देखी। चतुर रामलिंगम बताया आपको क्या करता था? सिर्फ रट्टे मारता था यार। ही यूज्ड टू मग अप ईच एंड एवरी डे, ही यूज्ड टू मग अप, ओके। If like his professor asked the definition of the mission, what Chatur said, he gave the definition of it. He mugged up, right? Then who's the next? Those you want to be Amir Khan, right? So his name, so Chatur आपको नहीं बनना है. You don't want to be a Chatur, okay? This Chanchar, so he was there, right? So be like that. Chanchar बनो ना, ठीक है? ओके, यू वांट टू बी अ रैंचो, डोंट बी अ चतुर। चतुर को क्या आता है? सिर्फ वो मगअप करता रहा, और वो जब आया तो रैंचो से बड़ा ही था। रैंचो से बड़ा था? नो। रैंचो वाज बिग? नो। यस, रैंचो वाज इन अ टॉप पोजीशन एंड how are you all? Hope you are all doing well and you enjoyed your festival well. So today is the last day, I think. So enjoy well. Before that, let me tell you the one thing. Today I was reading, okay? So I was planning to do something extra for my students. Now, why? Because I want to I want to give my 101%. that each and everyone knows, like in every video, in each video I'm telling this stuff. I am ready to keep, but the bad luck is my students are not doing that. Okay, I'll agree. Why? Because of festive season, ma'am. We don't have a time to read, ma'am. What, ma'am, you are? Okay, I understand. So I am not going to warn you why you are not doing. If you are not doing, I am going to cut your marks. I can't do that. So you know that, right? Okay. So then what this video is all about? What's this video is all about? I will give you the example. With examples you'll understand it better. I had uploaded the video on November 3rd, right? And I said you how you can able to arrange your dates, times, and reading schedule, each and everything, right? And you liked that video and you loved that video. A lot of students or my viewers said, oh my god, I am going to start from today. No ma'am, I am going to start from today. See, I did my timetable. See, I arranged my study room. Okay, I arranged the books. But they, like, it's not matter either they are reading or not, but they arranged the books. Okay, then in my next, like, okay, I'll come 3rd of November I uploaded. Okay, then we'll jump to the 7th of November. What happened in 7th of November? Again I uploaded the video of the lessons so that you can watch it and you can enjoy it. Okay, so then study vlogs and each and everything I did. Okay, then what you did? I asked you what you did. Then lot of students, they said ki, ma'am, I did this, you know that I read this, I tried to make up mind. Then 7th over. Okay, let me go to the next week, that is 14th of November. Okay, then 14th of November, what I did, I think I didn't do anything, right? Okay, fine. So I didn't upload anything because of my busy schedule, or else because I may be doing something extra so that my students can able to learn at least 1% of my video. That's enough for me. Okay, to be very honest, if you are learning at least 1% from my video, believe me, that's like a blessing for me. Okay, because I don't want to be that same kind of teacher to come to class, write on a board, explain the lesson, and you'll go back to home and you are doing your homework and you are coming back to the school, you are submitting your homework, I am correcting it, same routine going on. Okay, it's like a cycle. But after 10 or after 5 years, okay, so you may be an engineer, inshallah you will be an engineer, doctor, you have cracked the UPSC exam. Okay, or else you have, like, you didn't crack any exam. Okay, so you plan to do marry. Okay, I'm not criticizing the marriage is important, so we can't say no in India for the marriage. Okay, that's a bitter truth. Okay, now, so you have to do the marriage. So those, just think you are A or some other categories B. I'm not telling you are A, I am B. Okay, fine, I am B, you are A. Okay, so you are in this position. What position? You have cracked UPSC exam. Just think. Okay, you got that reputation. Each and everyone was respecting you. Each and everyone was telling your name. She did that, he did that. Okay, everyone was like happy, overwhelmed by seeing your success. Okay, and I am this. What I did? I didn't study because I don't like to study, yaar. Okay, that's the thing. Please try to understand. So yeah, I didn't like to study. Then what I was here? Did I crack UPSC? No. Did I become an engineer? No. Did I become a doctor? No. Then what am I? I may be a housewife. See, again I am telling, I am not criticizing. Okay? So housewife, my mom is also housewife. Okay? But my mom don't want कि I should be an permanent housewife, and as well as your mom as well. ठीक है? So like हमारे माएँ तो ये नहीं समझती ना कि हमें भी खुद किचन वर्क ही करना चाहिए. नहीं ना, वो हमें पढ़ने के लिए फ्रीडम दे रही है. तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम हाउसवाइफ ही बन जाए, शादी कर ले और हाउसवाइफ बन जाए. Okay, so you have to manage the both thing, because that's the power of a woman. Okay, so here also I didn't do anything, you did everything. Then what am I? After 5 years, you came and met him or her. Okay, she was at home and she was taking care of a child, or else he was at home and he is busy in his own stuff, and you came and you invite for your marriage. And he came, he saw your marriage, he saw like how you were, everyone was respecting you, everyone was like telling your story to him. Okay, like you went to the marriage, but this person was so busy. Okay, I went to the marriage, okay, but this year was so busy because obviously he cracked the most important exam in the India, right? So here what you have to learn, I am not criticizing A और B, ठीक है, ये दो जो A and B है वो हम ही है, ठीक है. This A and B is like inside us. If you want to be A, you can. If you want to be B, you can. It's up to you. It's your life. It's your life, and no one will say stop reading to you in this particular age. इस एज में कोई भी बंदा आपको ये नहीं कहेगा कि पढ़ो मत. No one will say. Everyone will say you to read. But what you are doing? Are you reading? I don't know. I don't know कि either you are reading or not. Okay, but you should know that. Okay, each and every day I used to say, try to use the question words in your life. Try to use that question words. Why I didn't read? Why is important? Then how can I read? Okay, these questions are very important. If you are using these questions in your life, in your daily routine, if you have fixed it, believe me, you are going to do each and everything. It's not like B is not good. B used to do so many hard work. ठीक है, so much, like just say here. Okay, I'll come here. This page is over. So he just did for 10, okay, just for 15 years. So 15 साल के लिए इस बच्चे ने बहुत सारी मेहनत की, and now he is an UPSC or else doctor, engineer, teacher, whatever. Okay, so B ने क्या किया इस 15 साल? She enjoyed 15 years. She didn't care about the exams. She didn't care about the life. She don't give an importance to the education. Okay, so 15 years he enjoyed. She worked hard. A worked hard and B just enjoyed. You worked hard and I was just sitting and I was chit-chatting with my friends. I was going and doing my vacations and I am coming back and again I am going to the colleges and just talking. That's it. And again I am coming back. Same routine was going on. What ye used to do? What you used to do? You used to read, you used to write, you used to learn so many new things. But I am nil. I don't know anything about the education. Okay? So 15 years both. Okay, just imagine you are 25 and I am 25. Okay? So in this 25, you are in the best position. Still I have to work hard. I have to wake up early in the morning. Okay, I have to work till midnight or till night, or is 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. I don't know how much I'm going to earn. I don't have the fixed job. Okay, समझ रहे हो? आपको समझना क्या होगा बच्चों, जो ये एंड बी है ना, ये हमारे अंदर ही रहता है. ठीक है, अगर आपको ये बनना है तो बनो, बी बनना है तो बनो, आपकी मर्जी. आपको चूज करना होगा कि आपकी लाइफ आप कैसे चाहते हो. ठीक है, समझ में आया आपको? व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. नवंबर तो मैंने आई डिड अ टाइम टेबल ऑन नवंबर. I know, I think that's my mistake. Why? Because I should start the timetable from the October year. Seriously, I feel like why you are not understanding the simple concept is to read. Okay, it's up to you, either you wanna be A or B. I can't come and I can't sit at your place and I can't force you to read. And I can't say to your parents, please ना अपने बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए तो परमिशन दे दो. वो दे देंगे. वो अब हमारे पेरेंट्स है, राइट? सो मॉम डैड वोंट से नो टू यू. आपको जब भी कोई चाट्स खानी होती है, जब भी कहीं पे जाना होता है, तो आपके मॉम डैड नो कहते हैं नहीं ना. सो दे विल डू व्हाट यू वांट. देन इफ यू आर रीडिंग, इफ यू आर सिटिंग एट होम, you are reading, then who the hell will say no to you? Yeah, just think that. Okay. हाँ, so then this A and B का तो फंडा हो गया. Now उस बच्चों को, C बच्चों को मैं बुलाना चाहती हूँ. C group people, come here. हाँ, who will involve in the C group of people? Those who will say in the 9th standard, or else in the 8th, or else in the 11th, that is PU. Okay, you will say like you are a topper, but believe me, you are a topper, right? So in the 9th and 8th or else 11th, you are a topper. Good. Like, may God bless you. Like, each and every year you will be the topper, and inshallah you will crack each and every exams. That's good. But I am noticing the C group people. I said those who got the 90 or 90%. Okay, only 90% in the 9th, in the 10th, 9th first PU, or else in the 8th standard. Okay, they got first class. Okay, fine, that's good. Now what they are doing, this A group of people, what they think, ma'am, I know ma'am, हम कल कर लेंगे. I'll read tomorrow ma'am, don't worry ma'am, I know ma'am how to read. Okay, so November हो गया. December if I ask, ma'am, don't worry, I am a topper, you know that, I will read. Okay, good, you are a topper, who am I to say you? Okay, December over. Jan, again you didn't start, you are busy, and again I asked you, did you start your study, like preparation? And you'll say, ma'am, do you know that when I was in the 8th standard, I don't know how to read. My teachers didn't taught me well, but I learned. Okay, because of that only I got first class, ma'am. Everyone knows that. So don't worry, I'll read. Good, fine. Now February and March. In this time, everyone will fear. Everyone will go to the panic stage, and obviously they also will go now. So फेब्रुवरी और मार्च के जो फेब्रुवरी और मार्च रहता है, तो उस टाइम तो हर एक बच्चे की तो हो ही जाता है. ठीक है, सो वो बेचारे जो ये सी ग्रुप के बच्चे हैं, वो थोड़ी ना कहने वाले हैं. सो इन दिस आल्सो से मैम आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग, मैम विल यू प्लीज टेल मी द टाइम टेबल. ओके, दे वोंट से फ्रॉम देयर माउथ. ओके, दे वोंट से फ्रॉम देयर माउथ, बट दे विल फेस अ डिफिकल्टीज. ओके, सो दोज विल से टुमारो, कल पढ़ लेंगे. अरे यार, अभी तो मैंने फर्स्ट चैप्टर क्लियर कर दिया है ना, 1 घंटे की तो पढ़ी हो गई ना. अब मैं जाता हूँ बाहर, कुछ खाता हूँ और फिर आता हूँ. जब आप बाहर जाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली 6 PM हो जाएगा. कोरोना लाइक कोविड टाइम में तो थोड़ी आपको कोई डर है कि ओके कोविड है. नहीं, आप तो शेर के बच्चे हो, तो आप बाहर जाओगे आओगे तो यू डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीवन. यार, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, यू आर नॉट रेस्पेक्टिंग योर पेरेंट्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रीडिंग, यू आर नॉट लर्निंग. एक बात आप समझ लो, इधर आप ए वाले बच्चे हो, बी वाले ग्रुप के बच्चे हो, या फिर सी ग्रुप के बच्चे हो, आपको क्या करना है?
चल शुरू हो जा. अब धक्का स्टार्ट के दिन गए, रॉकेट फ्यूल लगा, तो पानी चढ़ा, कॉफी बना, बदल अपनी रफ्तार. कुछ सेकंड यहाँ छांट, कुछ मिनट वहां चुरा. देख यहाँ कच्ची मिट्टी कोई नहीं, बदल अपनी रफ्तार. तो गेम बढ़ा और जोर लगा, जो दिल में है ना सब कर जा. दिन भर भागना है, रात भर जागना है, तो एक नेस्कैफे और लगा और फिर शुरू हो जा. कब तक रहेंगे छोटे से कुएं के रॉकस्टार, जब पूरी दुनिया पड़ी है बाहर.
का मीनिंग तो भी पता चल गया कि कल करेंगे. बट आपको कल नहीं करना है, क्योंकि आपका एग्जाम आफ्टर 3 months है. योर एग्जाम इज आफ्टर 3 months. ओके, जस्ट थिंक दैट. Okay, I am not an education minister to say that after 3 months you are going to have an exam. You know one secret? Everyone was prepared the exam. The education minister, education committee was already prepared the timetable, already prepared the question papers. And what you did, you didn't open the textbooks. Okay, so I told you ki online, because of online education, you didn't understand it well. But you are in a 10th grade, yeah, you are not that much low students, those who can't able to understand. You can, right? Now don't say, ma'am, I don't understand anything. If you are saying that, that's your mistake. Who told you to say it now? Okay, so you should not say today. You have to start it now. So कल कर लेंगे या फिर अगले जन्म ही कर लेंगे. ओके, नाले ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ಮನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಏನಿದೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಯಾರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಕಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ keep such kind of attitude in yours. How you have to be, you should be always in a question mark. ठीक है. सो हर एक टाइम आपको सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन मार्क की तरह ही रहना होगा कि आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता. जब आप एग्जाम में जाओगे ना, तो आप फाड़ दोगे. वैसे रहना है. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड यू शुड बी. Okay, so when you entered the exam, on that time you are like fire on the time. No one can able to understand ki, oh my god, you know, he or she did a well, and during the time of result they are going to say your name, they are going to say good about you, they are going to like support you, yeah. And one thing, your parents are going to love you, your parents will be proud. Okay, laddu baatna hai na aapko, so you want to distribute that laddu, right? Sweet you have to distribute, right, to the whole colony. How you can be when you got the 95%? And here I wrote about the 100 out of 30. So I made a timetable, so a lot of students didn't follow it. I know because of the festive seasons you can't do it. I can understand. And again I'll try to make a next timetable. If you want, please let me know in the comment section below that you need another timetable. And with that you have to tell me ki ma'am, if you upload this video, believe me, I am going to read it. So you have to put that as well. So don't just say, ma'am, please do that. If I upload it now, you are not going to use it. I am not going to waste my time. Okay, I am here to use my time. So for this 30% of people also I am going to use it. If out of 100 only 30% are telling, believe me, I am going to make for them. ओके, इनको देख के तो कुछ तो सीखोगे, कुछ तो शर्म आएगी आपके अंदर. हाँ यार, पढ़ लेती हूँ थोड़ी गाने, like by listening the songs, by dancing. I am not criticizing dance is not good. I love to dance. Okay, so here the dance, singing, festive season, vacation, सबको ना क्रॉस मार्क डाल दो. Okay, say no to each and everything. Why you can't say no? Okay, so when your father came, like if he says, come Rahul, we'll go and have a fun outside, and will you say no? No, you won't say, okay papa, I'll come, you'll go. When the time to study started, when you want to study, you will say no to your father? No, you won't say. अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि आप no तो कहना सीख लो, अगर मैं कहूँ कि अगर आपके पापा आके कहते हैं कि चलो बाहर जाते हैं, चलो बाहर जाके फिरते हैं, इफ़ यू से नो टू देम, वो अकेले जाएंगे क्या? दे विल गो बाय देमसेल्फ? नो, दे वांट यू एज वेल. सो इफ़ यू से नो, दे विल बी विथ यू. दे वोंट से कि हे बारो नाले बत कोंते. नो, दे वोंट से. They are parents, but your friends will say, see this friend, this relatives, each and everything ना. कॉलेज के बाद कोई नहीं आएगा ना, आपके दोस्त आएंगे. दोस्तों को मत बताना कि तुम पढ़ने वाले हो. Don't say to your friends that you are going to start reading. Those who are watching it, if you want to make me criticize, you can, but it's a bitter truth. Don't say to your friends कि I am started learning. This is a secret. हाँ. So now,
always sat me down and said, look, Nick, yes, there are things that you can't do, but don't say I can't do it. Ask yourself, how can I do it? You know, there's ways around it. You can get from one side of the mountain to another, but you don't just have to walk over it. Maybe you can go underneath it or around it, or there's always ways in achieving the same goal. The way that I've achieved in my life doesn't always look the same for everyone else. But the key to that success was I believed in myself. If someone else could do something, then I could try and work out how. It starts with believing in yourself.
Procrastination. So procrastination means what? We'll do tomorrow. We'll do tomorrow. We'll do after 10 minutes. We'll do after 5 minutes. That's called procrastination. For that we have to say no. Okay. Then what we have to do now? So first you have to organize the things. Okay. So now like by seeing this video you understood the value of education. Oh my God, I'm really blessed if you understand the value of education. Okay. So organize. Do like take your books, take each and every textbook, try to organize it. Okay, try to divide the syllabus. Kaise? Like if you like in one day you can't able to crack this 3 chapter, you can't able to solve this 3 chapter, you can't able to read. So at least start from half. Okay, start from half, organize, and then we'll come to the timetable. So timetable is important. Okay, so if you don't know about the timetable, please go back and watch the video. If you want a new timetable, please let me know so that I can be prepared and I can upload it. Okay, then for the timetable, the main thing is you have to take a break. Okay, you should know when to take break. I can't come and I can't say in this particular time only you have to take a break. No, I can't say na. So you should know in which time you should take a break. Okay, now डिस्ट्रैक्शन. ओ माय गॉड, ये ना हमारा सबसे बड़ा एनिमी होता है. ठीक है, दिस इज अ बेस्ट एनिमी, डिस्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो डोंट get easily distracted. If your father calls, say no. If your friend calls, say no. If they are texting, say no. Say no to social medias. Okay, that's important. Next, you have to work hard. Okay, so start working hard. You can't able to start working by either hook or crook. You have to start, because I want each and everyone to get 95 plus. Believe me. See, I am not telling ki I am going to get a reward if you got 95%. No, I won't get any type of reward, but your parents will get a reward. You are going to get a reward. Okay, that's important, my dear children. That is very, very important. Believe me. Okay, then deadline. So you have to fix a deadline. For example, I can say on the 21st November you started one topic, the extension of British rule in India. That's history. Okay, the extension of British rule in India you started. Okay, so now is 17th. Okay, so 17th to 21st you should fix the deadline. I am going to complete the part 1 of the history. It's a tricky, yes it is, but try ना, कोशिश करो तो पता चलेगा ना आपको कि क्या है आपके अंदर कमी. That's important, right? Now deadline, then you have to fix the time limit. कि if, see, don't just sit and don't just read, you have to write. In exam what we want speed. Okay, how you are writing is important, your speed is important. Try to have a salads. Okay, healthy चीज़ें खाना शुरू कर दो. ये पानी पूरी, चाट सबको ना कह दो at least for the 3 months. Okay, कोई भी बाहर नहीं जा रहा है. No one is going outside because of this COVID. But if you are planning, please say no to that. We need an energy because we want to get crack. We want get 95 plus 100. Okay, 100. Yeah, we can. If you want, you can that. Next, check. Next point is you have to check it. Okay, what you did from this all. See how the stuff it is. What you did, each and everything you have to check it. Okay, you got my point? So this is all about procrastination. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want another things like if you want another timetable, please let me know. If you want ki ma'am I can't able to, like, I didn't understand this topic, don't say that. Whatever we finished, whatever your teacher had been finished, I am not telling with a strict way ki don't go and say your teacher that you didn't understand. No, you have a right, you can say that. When? In this end of this month. Okay? In this November only you have a right to clear each your doubt, clear each and everything. Okay? Be a smart child. Okay, I don't know your study routine, I don't know how you are, but my previous students, when I used to teach, there I had seen a lot of students. They used to work hard, children. You can do the best. Okay, you wanna prove, like, you wanna prove best, right? You want to make your parents proud. And I know each and every girl, boy have that dream. Okay, so you can do it. You can, I know. Thank you.